Welcome back, Jungle Pup Exotics. I'm back with our pups. Got their pens ready. So I'm about to give y'all an update on all of them, basically. Okay, here we go. We got range puppies right here. They were born December 17th, 2021. Right now it's January 20-something, so they're about a little bit over a month old. She got 6 of them. Blue Tan Point, Daddy's Tank. Most of them black. They all carry cocoa, chocolate. Then also we have a Black Tan Point, 3 boys and 3 girls. They've been on mush for about a week. Mush and mom. We still bring mom in. This is the Tan Point right here. That's a little boy. As you see, they healthy. All of them gaining weight. This is a blue girl, I believe. The other blue boy looks lilac. We can see the light color. Yeah. You see the difference between the blues right there. Okay, moving on. In this pen, we still have our 2 creams, which is Snowball's puppies. Right here. They were born November 5th. Yeah. They were born November 5th or November 4th. Don't quote me on that. And we got 2 left out of that litter. That was a litter of 6. That was a litter of 6. We got these 2 guys right here. So they're past 8 weeks. They're ready to go. Definitely. They're about to mess this spot up. Let me put that water in there real quick. And then we're down to our pink carriers. We have 2 of them that we're actually keeping. These are Izzy's puppies. They were born November 12th. So we're not keeping him. He's the only one that doesn't carry pink out of 4. And then we're not keeping, come here, Dot. We're not keeping him. He's up for sale too. Now we will be keeping these 2. That's a female. She carries pink. And that's a male. He's a pink carrier. So I'm about to put that whole thing right here. And yeah, man, it's Jungle Pup Exotics. That's it. So as you see, we got Frenchies. 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 And that's how we doing it, man. So yeah, go ahead, tune in, subscribe and like if you haven't yet. It's an all day thing. Jungle Pup Exotics, y'all see what's up, man. Over and out.